Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. This is the given data. Determine the median number of the letters in the surnames. That means here first we need to find the median. Find the mean number of letters in the surnames. So we need to find mean also. And also find the model size of the surnames. So in this question we need to find all the three: median, mean and model size. So here you observe this is the given class interval in which 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10. So here since these values are equal, it indicates that the class intervals are continuous. So it is a continuous class interval. Next, so we can take this as Ci, and the given number of surnames we can take it as Fi, that is frequency, right? Now here we are asked to find the median. So here let us be ready with the cumulative frequency Cf. Let us write the 6 as it is. 6 plus 30 is 36, 36 plus 40 is 76, 76 plus 16 is 92, 92 plus 4 is 96, 96 plus 4 is 100. So here Cf is ready, right? Now let us make the table ready for finding mean, for which here we need to find the class mark, that is Xi, that is the mid value of 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 by 2 is 2.5. Clear? 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 by 2 is 5.5. Here you observe carefully, the difference is 3, so we can maintain the same difference. So next 5.5 plus 3 will be 8.5, plus 3 will be 11.5, plus 3 is 14.5, 14.5 plus 3 is 17.5. So here we have the values of Xi. Now if we feel comfortable for multiplying Fi into Xi, so we can solve this problem in direct method. But here you see, as these are in points, so here I would like to solve this problem in another method, for which here I am finding Di. So here for finding Di, one of the values can be selected as A. So here I am selecting this 11.5 as A. So 2.5 minus 11.5, Di is Xi minus A. So here 2.5 minus 11.5 is minus 9. So it is 5.5 minus 11.5 is minus 6. Here you observe carefully. Here the difference is 3. The same difference will be maintained here. So this is minus 3, 0, 3 and then 6. So here we have the values of Di. Right. Now if we are able to follow assumed mean method easily, then we can find here Fi into Di. But here I would like to solve this problem in the method of step deviation method, for which I am finding Ui. So formula of Ui is Di by H. Di by H. So here H is the width of the class interval, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So here H is 3. So minus 9 by 3 is minus 3, minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, minus 3 by 3 is minus 1, 0 by 3 is 0, 3 by 3 is 1, 6 by 3 is 2. So we have Ui values also ready. Now we are going to find the product of Fi and Ui. So here you observe carefully, second column I multiply with the fifth column. So here I am finding Fi into Ui. 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. 30 into minus 2 is minus 60. 40 into minus 1 is minus 40. 16 into 0 is 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now Fi into Ui is also ready. With this table work gets completed. Now let us find the values what are asked in the question. First one is median is asked. So here I am finding median. First one is median. So let us find median. The formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Now here let us find these values. First here this total, that is 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 20. Here 2 is carry forward, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So it is 100. So here we can write n is equal to 100. Then we can find n by 2, that is 100 by 2, that is 50, right? Now here in cumulative frequency we need to find which value is just greater than 50. Here you observe this 76 is there, right? So this is the just greater than 50. So we can take this as median class. So this is median class. Median class. So now here let us mention the same. From the table you can write here, from the table, from cumulative frequency, from the table if you see from cumulative frequency, 76 is just more than 50. It is just more than 50. So we can say that the median class will be, here you see 76, this class interval 7 to 10, this is the median class. So from this we can write all the values now. So we have, let us write the values. L is equal to its lower class interval, lower class boundary, that is 7. L is 7 and n by 2 is 50, right? And here Cf is the preceding value of the class interval of the cumulative frequency. So here Cf will be 36 and this 40 will be the F equal to 40, and then H value, H is clearly you can observe this is 3. Let us substitute these values here. Therefore median is equal to L, that is 7 plus n by 2 minus Cf, 50 minus 36, 50 minus 36 by here F is 40 into H is 3. Now let us simplify this value. 7 let us write as it is. 50 minus 36 is 14 by 40 into 3. So here on cancellation here we get, this is 2 7s are and 2 20s are, right? Now here let us simplify this one. This is 7 plus 7 3s are 21 by 20. Let us write 7 as it is. And now here roughly let us divide 21 with 20. So here let us do the rough work here. I am going to divide 21 with 20. 21s are 20. So here remainder is 1. when you keep here point, here 0 will come. As 10 is less than 20, we should one more 0, here 100 will be. So 25s are 100. So here 21 by 20 can be replaced with 1.05. So 7 plus this 1.05 is 7 plus 1.05 will be 7 plus 1 is 8. It is 8.05. So we got the median value. Now the second bit is we are asked to find mean. Now here let us do second bit here, that is mean. Mean. Now here the formula for mean. Let us write the formula for mean. Formula for mean as we are following the step deviation method, let us mention the method by step deviation method. By step deviation method, let us write the formula mean x bar is equal to L plus sigma Fi, it is not L, it is A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. Now here let us find these values from the table. So here let us observe them, these values here you see clearly. A is 11.5, this is A. Let us write now A is equal to 11.5 and sigma Fi ui, sigma Fi ui, for which we need to find this total. Let us add the negative numbers first. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. It is minus, so minus 11. Minus 118 plus, let us add the positive values. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this value is minus 118 plus 12 is minus 106. So here sigma Fi ui is minus 106 and then sigma Fi, this is you see sum of the frequencies, that is 100, and here H is the here 3. Now let us substitute these values in the formula above. So here we have mean x bar equal to A is 11.5, here is plus, here is minus, so plus into minus is minus 106 by sigma Fi is 100 into 3. Clear? Now here let us solve it now. 11.5 let us write as it is minus 3 into 106. 3 into 106 is 318 by 100. So here this will be 11.5 minus, since we have 2 zeros here, so it is 3.18. So 11.5 minus 3.18 is 8.32. So here we got the value of the mean also. Now the next one is finding model size of the surnames, that is nothing but mode. So here let us find mode. Now let us write the formula for finding mode. That is, formula for finding mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now here let us write these values from the table. Now here you see how to find these values. Observe carefully in the frequency, which is the highest frequency, that will be F1. In this you see 40 is the highest frequency. So here this 40 will be F1, the previous one will be F0, next one is F2. Clear? And here the highest maximum 40, so this one will be again model class. So the same in this problem, median class and model class both are the same. Same way here this 7 will be the L even for mode. Now here let us write the values. L is equal to 7. Here you can mention model class is 7 to 10 as 40 is the highest frequency, is the highest frequency. So we got L equal to 7. F0, F1, F2, these three can be written as it is. So here F0, F1 and then F2, 30, 40 and 6. This is 30, 40 and 6, and we have H value as H is equal to, you see here, 3. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. Now here this is L, here L is 7 plus F1 minus F0, 40 minus 30, it is 40 minus 30 by here 2 times F1, 2 times F1 is 2 into 40 is 80, and minus F0 minus F2, so these two minus 36 it is minus 36 into H is 3, right? So here let us write 7 as it is, and 40 minus 30 is 10 by this is 34, 80 minus 36 is 34 into this 3. Now here let us cancel here 10 and 34 with 2 table. So 2 5s are and 2 17s are, right? Now here we have 7, let us write as it is 7 plus 5 3s are 15 by 17. Now let us divide this 15 with 17 in the rough column. Here I am going to divide 15 with 17. Now here let us write here 0, so this is 150. So 17 8 are 136. On subtraction you will get 14 as the remainder, because this point it will be 0, 140. Let us write here again 8 times, so that is 136. Now here it is 4 is the remainder, because this point will become 0. Now here we can write this as 17 2s are 34. Now here it will be going on like this. Now as here we are going to adjust this value after 2 decimals. So let us keep line here. Now we observe this will be 0.8. Since the next number is less than 5, we can maintain the same 8, right? So it is 0.88. So we can write 7 plus 0.88 is 7.88. It is 7.88. Now here let us write the conclusion that here first one is, so let us write the conclusion. First one is median. Median is, here you see median value, we got 8.05. 8.05. And second one is mean. So here let us write second one as mean. We got the mean value as 8.32. 8.32. And let us write the third one, that is mode, or we can say model size. However you want, you can write. Okay, here as I do not have place, I am writing only mode. Mode we got it as 7.88. So with this sixth problem gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.